Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. If you're new here, welcome. Here we're talking about how we are going to reach our dreams, because I've already manifested going to college, going to UCLA. I didn't go to Roland High School actually, but I like wearing it because I'm from Roland Heights. Um, Something about us, like Mexican Americans, we're proud of where we're from, where we grew up. Destiny's right here, so she might pop up. You see her pop up in a moment. Destiny's my cat. She's a gray striped cat. So in this video specifically, I'm going to talk about visualization and the ways this helped me and what resonated with me today. Every morning when I walk to the gym, my 30 to 40 minutes of cardio every single day, I listen to Audible. And lately I've been listening to Jerry and Esther Hicks. It's basically the same stuff. Every book that they have is just focused on a certain topic or trying to explain the law of attraction and how to use it. So what resonated with me is this. Many times people don't get what they visualize. Why don't they get what they visualize? Because they're talking shit about themselves subconsciously, or they just are not in a good vibe. What do I mean by that? They visualize, but they're probably visualizing how bad it is, or maybe they don't believe in what they're visualizing. You need to have faith, and more importantly, you need to visualize what you want, what it is you want, not the negative shit. Okay, when I was in prison, what helped me is being in a negative place, like in a cell on a small little four walls, people getting jumped, who were, fucking up and stabbed. So the only thing you have is your mind. So you got to focus on positive things. And I would only focus on what I wanted to do. I wanted to be good morally, because being immoral was what got me there. Stealing, robbing, hurting people, contemplating hurting people, things like that. So I focused on being good, going to college because college was something good. That's why I got into UCLA after I got out of prison. And last thing, being with my family, cherishing my family. Okay, that was the three things that I wanted, and why I wanted it. So when you visualize, ask yourself, this is the question I wrote down for you. What are the reasons I want to fill in the blank? We can do, what are the reasons I want to get rich? I want to buy a mansion. I want to buy a Ferrari, Mercedes, whatever, or a Toyota, whatever it is that that you want. I want to buy my mom and dad a home. I want to have a home gym. I want to have, an infinity pool. I want to have a at-home theater and entertainment room. Things like that. You see, those are the reasons. As you start thinking about the reasons, you start visualizing, you start getting a picture of it. Okay? What are the reasons I want to have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, right? Or multiple girlfriends. I want companionship. I want to go to the gym with them. I want to go to the park with them. I want to go to restaurants. I want to have fun. I want to enjoy my life with somebody or with a few girls, right? And I want to be happy. I want to be more happy, right? I want to be more happy because you're already feeling happy. And like I mentioned in my last video or in my last article that I wrote, you must be happy now to have positive outcomes. You must be happy now to have positive outcomes. You must be happy now to have positive outcomes. The universe doesn't work like fucking Hollywood, where fucking somebody's depressed and all fucked up and shit, and then at the end Miraculously good shit happens. No, it doesn't work like that. The universe gives you what you put out. Okay, you're feeling negative. For example, if you walk up to a girl, like this is for men, but you can women, if you're a woman, you know this especially. When a man walks up to a woman and he's nervous, he's in his head, and he's feeling all weird and like shaky. Um, the girl might even just reject him right before he even opens his fucking mouth because she can already see and feel his vibe. So she's gonna be like, I got a boyfriend. Don't talk to me. I'm busy. I'm on the phone. You haven't even opened your mouth, but your vibe, your body language is projecting a resonant feeling, a vibration. You're projecting a vibration. So the universe brought back that vibration, that negative and rejected vibration that you were feeling. You're feeling like, oh, I might get rejected or whatever you're feeling through the girl because she fucking responded to you negative. So see how that works? Your beliefs create your reality. Okay. Now let's change that. You're feeling positive. You're in your body. You're present, right? Like I talk about presence. Consciousness is power. Okay. This presence right here is power. This presence is what's going to create that image in your mind. Okay. Using imagination. Imagination is a tool. Your mind is your tool. Okay. You are eternal awareness. So you present yourself present, calm, and joyful, happy. And you say, hey, excuse me. You say, oh, hey. Hey, I just want to tell you I think you're really cute. Or you could be indirect or whatever you want to say. Hey, so what are you buying if you're at the store? What are you buying today? Oh, then you start the conversation. She's not going to reject you. Like, oh, I got a boyfriend. Oh, no, don't talk to me. Or walks away like really fast, right? That's a good example. I love that example. Okay, because it gives you real time results, real time feedback. Okay. Now let's do fitness. What are the reasons I want to be in shape? I want to feel good about myself. I want to have a six pack. I want to have muscles. You know, I want to look at myself in the mirror and have abs and muscles and just feel good about myself. I want to look good next to my girlfriend or boyfriend who is going to be hot or is hot and really attractive. So I want to look good next to him or her. I want to look good having sex. Maybe I want to do a video, an adult film video. Whatever it is, you know, whatever it is, whatever comes up. I want to be a good example for my kids, my family, my community, whatever comes up. The reasons start coming up and then images come up, okay? Because you're focusing on the reasons why you want to get fill in the blank. You know, why do I want to go to college? Why do I want to go to UCLA? Or for me, it was just college. I just want to go to college. Why do I want to go to college? I want to be good. I want to stay busy. I don't want to go back to prison. So I want to stay focused on that. And yeah, and then other ideas start coming to you. Like read books, write stuff. Like those ideas started coming to me. Read books, understand new words, write them down, the definitions, go to the library, borrow books. You know, in prison I'd borrow it from friends. And other homies and or just people in there. Even Christians, I would talk to the Christians, you know. Now outside you would go to the library. Okay, now how do we visualize? Another thing. You feel good. Make sure you do something that you feel good before you visualize doing it. Okay, maybe I should have said this in the beginning, but it is what it is. A lot of times those negative beliefs that we have are there, so your body's in a negative vibration. You're tense, you're just negative. Some people like to shower and like they just feel good right after it, you know? Some people shower and they feel good. For me, I work out and I feel amazing. My vibration is fucking high. I feel so fucking good. So what I did today, I visualized after I got home from the gym. I did that. Okay. Whatever it is, maybe you can go and hug your mom or your kids or whatever and just feel that good feeling and then go somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed and start visualizing the things that you want. Okay. You can even ask yourself, oh, okay, I want this. What are the reasons why I want fill in the blank? That's how I did it when I was locked up. I would say the Our Father prayer. Okay, I would say thank you for the day, and whatever I was grateful for, I would just say thank you, God, thank you for this day, thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I would visualize what I wanted, and I would, okay, I want to go to college, so I know when I get out, I'm gonna go to college, and I would see like, okay, what would that look like, okay? And then why college? Oh man, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back to prison. I want to be good. I want to be focused. I want to do something. I want to dedicate to my life to something good. And then other ideas come up like giving back, being part of other organizations, like nonprofit organizations, student organizations. They just come to you, okay? As you start asking yourself the reasons why you want to do something, okay? So you must know what you want and why you want it. That'll help you visualize. And visualize when you feel fucking great. So find out what is something that you can do to feel great, and then right after that, go into your visualization. I hope you like this one. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is helping you, if this video resonated with you, share it with somebody that you love. Okay? Peace, and I love you.